What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Rico from FindingUFO here with a new video. The following footage you're about to watch comes from a live webcam stream that monitors the Sakurajima Volcano in Kagoshima City, Japan. The event took place on October 5th, 2020. As usual, let's start watching the original video followed up by some enhanced footage with filter and zoom and talk about it afterwards. As we can see, there is one main object common in the beginning of the video flying in from the right side. That is closely followed by several other group of lights that change in pattern and shape. The objects in the back could be one object with several lights or a group of objects that are keeping up with the main mothership UFO. But the most important question, what do you think this could be? As of always, share your thoughts in the comment section below. I have put the direct links of the source and the live webcam stream of the Sakurajima Volcano in the description box. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, share with others, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Activate the notification bell so you won't miss any future upload. And until next time, stay safe and thank you for watching.